coffee machine. Grinding sound. Good morning, St. Queasy. Wake up, something crazy is about to go down. Chief Bogo walks in feeling slow. Needs his espresso just to go. Tiny mug in his big strong hand. The sleepy boss of the police band. New machine, shiny and chrome. Looks like a spaceship far from home. Buttons not working, he's getting mad. This is gonna end really bad. Hey, watch out! He hits the lid, the coffee spills. Sparks are flying, giving me chills. Wires are buzzing, turning red. Run for cover is what I said. This transforming, rising high. A metal monster with the glowing eye. Oh no, it's a cafe attack. There is no turning back. The coffee machine is alive today. Shooting hot steam, get out of the way. Nick and Judy save the station. Panic in the population. Cups are flying like a hurricane. A robot powered by coffee beans. Wow. Caffeine overload. Closet runs with his donut box, hiding behind the piles of rocks. Cream is spraying, floor is slick. We need a hero, we need them quick. Judy is jumping, Parker style. Nick is sliding with a cheeky smile. Distract the beast, wave your tie while the bunny jumps into the sky. I'm the robot, reach the top. We gotta make this madness stop. Nick throws the baton, breaks the glass. Judy hits the button, faster back. Down. 3, 2, 1.